Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Now, as you know, we have completed all the grammar topics and all the lessons and exercises. Yes or no? Now, I will explain you some writing topics that is for revision as a part of your revision, because some worksheets which contain the writing parts, advanced worksheets, they are left to be discussed. So, I will just do it and you can even revise it. It will be as a part of your revision. So today what I am going to do is the first writing topic, that is thank you note. How do you write a thank you note? It is not a thank you letter, it is a thank you note. So thank you note is very short, only 1 or 2 sentences. Okay, when do you send a thank you note? Suppose if somebody sends you a gift, if it is your birthday and somebody is living far away, your friend or your uncle or your auntie or your any relative, and they are sending you a birthday gift from outside, from any other place. So then you have to write a thank you note to them in return. So today we will learn how to write a thank you note. It is very simple, only 1 or 2 lines you have to write. Okay students, it's very easy. It is explained very well in the application book. So we will see the explanation, we will see the example, and then I will give you one example to solve on your own. Okay students, so let's see the thank you note writing topic. Okay students, so today we are going to learn a new topic in writing, that is about thank you note writing. Now let's learn about this particular topic. Okay students, so the thank you note writing topic is given in worksheet 2.6 and it is on page number 21. Here a very good explanation is given on how to write the thank you notes and when you have to write thank you note. Okay, let's see. When somebody gives you a gift, you say thank you. When somebody sends you a gift, you write a thank you note to them. Okay, so understood, when somebody is giving you a gift personally, then you can tell thank you to them, you can reply. But when somebody sends you a gift from somewhere, suppose somebody is living in another city or another country or another state, and if they send you a gift, then you cannot tell them thank you, right? You have to send them a thank you letter or you have to send them a thank you note. So here we will see how to write a thank you note. It is very short. It is very short, and that is why it is called a note. Understood? Now here some examples are given. Ria's uncle sent her a beautiful frock for a birthday. Read Ria's thank you note to her uncle. Okay, so now Ria's uncle, he is living somewhere else far. So for a birthday, he sent a beautiful frock. Then Ria also wrote a thank you note for him. Okay, now we will read how she has written. Dear uncle, thank you very much for the lovely yellow frock. Yellow is my favorite color. I will wear it for my friend's birthday party next week. Give my love to Joe and regards to Auntie. Love, Ria. So this is a format of writing a thank you note. You only have to write 1 or 2 sentences and then you must write give my love to Joe and regards to Auntie. You must give your regards to the other family members. Then you must give your love to your cousins or whoever is there in the family. Okay, so in the last line you have to write your regards and your love. And then you must write love Ria, or you can write anything, yours lovingly or whatever you want to write, love Ria or yours faithfully or yours, anything you can write. Okay, and last you must write your name. So it is very short. You have seen only 2 sentences she has written. Okay, now in the same way you have to write one note. Now imagine that your friend who lives in another city has sent you a new art kit. Write a thank you note to him or her. Now you have to write a thank you note to your friend. Now your friend has sent you a art kit. So you must, how you will write? So you must write the name of your friend, like dear, you can write dear Tina if it is a girl. Then you may write that thank you for sending me this beautiful art kit. I really wanted this art kit for my craft activities and you have sent it and it's really very useful to me. Thank you once again for it. And last line you can write give my regards to uncle and auntie, and then you must write your name. Okay, you can write it any way you wish. So this is your homework, your activity. You have to do it on your own. You can write to any friend you want. Understood? So this was about the writing topic. This was about the writing topic about the thank you note. This was about the writing topic of thank you note, and it is on worksheet 2.6. Understood, students? Okay, students, so I hope you have understood about the thank you note writing. Yes or no? So please try to solve more and more examples. Try to write more and more notes on your own. Then you will get a good practice in your thank you note writing. Okay, students? So please do the exercise that I have given to you. Write it on your own. Understood? So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.